What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mom. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the tail light from a Ford Mustang. This is a 2020 model here, but it will be the same on several different years. So in order to do this, we're going to need a 10mm wrench, and we're going to need a trim tool or something similar. You'll need something similar to these forks like that. Okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing we need to do is, if we look in our trunk, we're going to see these two knobs here and here. We'll unscrew those. Okay, so now that we got those off of there, there's two plastic rivets that we need to pull out. You can see one here, and then one's tucked up in here. Right there. So let's go ahead. So our trim tool, get under it like that. Same thing with this one. Okay. So after you pull those two rivets and you have those two knobs unscrewed, then we're going to want to pull this piece away just a little bit. And then we're going to pull this carpet down. And you'll just move this plastic piece enough to get the carpet out of the way. And then once that's out of the way, and we look up in here, we can see the connection for the taillight. And that's going to be right here. And how we're going to want to unhook that is press this button where my thumb is, and that'll pull up like that. Okay, so we have our connector unplugged, and now we need to remove 3 10mm nuts. This one's already loose. There's one here, and then there's one right here. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and finish taking those 3 all the way off, and then I'll check back in the next shot. Okay, so I just removed those 3 10mm nuts that we just pointed out in the previous shot, and now the tail light is going to be ready to slide out. So if we just get a hold of it, it's going to come out like that. Now we have this connector right here, and how we want to get that off is, so on the bottom, it can be a little difficult to see, but this piece right here, you just want to push in with your index finger, and that'll allow that to slide up, okay? So then you have your assembly free. To put it back together, you'll just reverse everything we just did. Clip that back on, line these back up, and slide them in. Don't forget to hook your connector up right here. Put your carpet back in. You want to make sure you tuck it properly in beside this. Put your 2 knobs back on, and then pop those 2 rivets in. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.